Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to make this color mixer for artists where you can mix two colors virtually with 32 built-in artist paint colors and with instant preview of original and mixed colors. Displays colors name and hex color codes. To build this project you need Wemos D1 Mini, GC9801, Rotary Encoder, RGB LED strip and jumper cables. To build the circuit, refer this circuit diagram. I will make frame for this project by designing in Tinkercad and then 3D printing using PLA filaments. These are the parts that I will be printing for this project. Upload this program. You can change this value if the number of LEDs is more or less than 8 in your case. Test this project by rotating the knob and make sure if everything is working. Use this 3D printed enclosure to case all the electronics. I have given enough room to fit all these components. Use super glue and hot glue wherever necessary. Finish the project by adding these 3D printed rings. To use this project, all you have to do is connect this to USB power supply. Navigate through the menu using Rotary Encoder. You can see two options, preset palette and custom colors. You can choose custom option to mix two colors to create relative paint blends with their respective color names and hex codes. You can see the real-time LED color preview and many other features. This was all about this project. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments. Thank you for watching.